Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. It's October the 19th. I've had a couple of days off, burning up some vacation days. This is the third day that I've been hunting. Seen a few does, a little button buck, hadn't seen any antler deer to try to take a shot at. It's my last afternoon, and I go back to work tomorrow. Then Saturday is our muzzleloader hunt. So, as you can see, I'm in the stand. Pretty windy to be bow hunting, but I'm overlooking this little pond. You can see it. Historically, the deer have liked to come out and feed in the edge of this pond, and so really I'm kind of scouting for my muzzleloader hunt and gun hunt, and who knows, maybe we can get some footage from here this afternoon. But you guys stay tuned. Hopefully the wind don't blow my tree stand over. We're in a little bitty willow tree, as you can see over my shoulder there. 15-foot ladder stand, and the tree's 3 or 4 inches thick, so it moves around a little bit. But we'll take a look. We'll see what happens. You guys stay tuned. Well, guys, shoot light's almost over. Can't see the ground very good, even though I can still see in the camera. Ducks are landing everywhere. Not much water here. But hey, we've seen 2 does, a bunch of ducks. Had a good afternoon in the tree. It's always good to be out and enjoy what the good Lord gave us. And look at that sunset. It's beautiful. Yeah, you guys stay tuned. More ducks going over, and we'll be back Saturday morning with I don't know if you see them or not. Ducks everywhere. Anyway, stay tuned. We'll be back Saturday morning. We'll get you a muzzleloader hunt in. Catch you next go round.